Hello, this is Christy Collins, and this is my school district redesign project for EDU 730. This redesign project examines the Collins R14 school district, which is located in a small Midwestern town with a predominantly rural population just minutes from a bustling metropolitan area. Guided by the belief that academic success for all students requires proactive innovation, the district has embraced Marzano's 5 levels of high reliable schools to foster a thriving educational culture. In this environment, teachers are energized to teach, students are deeply engaged in their learning, and the community is actively invested in the school system's success. The district's core values, student focus, high expectations, visionary leadership, innovation, and results orientation drive its mission. Collins R14 School District is committed to ensuring students develop essential skills, including effective communication, collaboration, empathy, integrity, a growth mindset, adaptability, and problem-solving abilities, preparing them to thrive in an ever-changing world. Located in the heart of Platte and Clay County, the Collins R14 School District blends small-town charm with the convenience of its proximity to downtown Kansas City. Covering 105 square miles, the district includes 4 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, 1 high school, and 2 special schools, including a career and technical education center and an early childhood center. Over the past 2 decades, the district has experienced remarkable growth, with enrollment climbing from 2,409 students in the 2003-2004 school year to 4,283 students in the 2023-24 school year, making a staggering 177% increase. Proudly identifying as a quality continuous improvement organization, Collins 14 School District aligns its vision, mission, and values as key measures of district success. The district's commitment to ongoing advancement is reflected in its comprehensive school improvement plan, which is rooted in the Baldrige framework for quality continuous improvement. This framework ensures systematic progress in teaching and learning, anchored by foundational practices. Since 2006, the district has leveraged professional learning communities to enhance collaboration and outcomes. In 2013, the principles of learning were introduced to strengthen instructional practices. Together, these initiatives support the district's dedication to sustained excellence. The Collins R14 School District size offers distinct advantages, particularly in enrollment and staffing ratios. With a student-to-teacher ratio of 17:1 and a student-to-administrator ratio of 177:1, the district ensures personalized attention and leadership support. Staff members boast an average tenure of 14 years, with nearly 70% holding advanced degrees. The district also celebrates its rich diversity, with students representing homes where 23 different languages are spoken, including Spanish, Arabic, Creole, Somali, Vietnamese, and Amharic, in addition to English. The Collins R14 School District reveals a well-defined leadership framework with 22 district-level leaders. Notably, the district's leadership structure demonstrates a strong alignment between operations and academics, reflecting a balanced distribution of roles within these key areas. This close correlation highlights the district's strategic approach to ensuring leadership capacity supports both operational efficiency and academic excellence. Although the number of district-level leaders is relatively small, everyone brings significant expertise and respect to their roles. During the researcher's time within the district, Mr. Brian Knoller, Executive Director of Business Services, and Dr. Alicia Casey, Executive Director of Teaching and Learning, exemplified transformational leadership. Both leaders build trust and mutual respect with stakeholders, both internally and within the broader community. As Northouse describes, transformational leaders are social architects who shape organizational goals through meaningful relationships, and Dr. Casey and Mr. Knoller excel in this capacity. Additionally, they embody the principles of team leadership, creating collaborative environments that leverage diverse talents to achieve shared goals. They carefully structure teams to ensure safe, open spaces where members feel empowered to express their ideas. Dr. Casey and Mr. Knoller also exemplify servant leadership, prioritizing the development and success of others. Dr. Casey's servant leadership focuses on internal operations, enhancing the school community, while Mr. Knoller's approach encompasses both internal and external operations, emphasizing the importance of partnerships and responsible stewardship of district resources to advance student learning. By actively fostering growth and giving back to the community, both leaders create value that benefits the district and its stakeholders. The Collins R14 School District utilizes Marzano's High Reliability Schools framework to create systems that enhance student achievement while fostering a positive, supportive, and collaborative environment for both staff and students. A hallmark of a high reliability school is its ability to ensure a safe and effective workplace for teachers, structures that promote academic excellence, and procedures that guarantee operational success. The district has already achieved implementation of several levels within Marzano's framework and continues to progress toward fulfilling all indicators within the 5 levels of highly reliable schools. At the core of this framework is Level 1, which emphasizes a safe, supportive, and collaborative culture. This focus is evident in several district initiatives, including The Leader in Me, Character Strong, Bullying Prevention, and the use of restorative practices. Among these, restorative practices stands out as an innovative and effective approach to fostering safe and collaborative environments. Rooted in social science, restorative practices build social discipline and capital through collaboration and mutual decision-making. In addition to these efforts, the district gathers stakeholder feedback through surveys administered multiple times annually to students, staff, parents, and community members. These surveys consistently indicate that stakeholders view the school environment as safe and orderly. Teachers play an integral role in fostering this environment by participating in grade-level teams, building leadership teams, data teams, and their professional learning communities. PLCs, structured with formal teacher roles, ensure that educators collaborate on curriculum, instruction, assessments, and strategies to support academic success. Weekly common planning time allows staff to address challenges and formulate plans for student growth. With team leaders and building leaders providing ongoing support, high-performing PLCs within the district maintain open communication lines among all members. To further reinforce a positive culture, the Collins R14 School District celebrates excellence by recognizing both certified and classified staff annually through a Culture of Excellence nomination program. At the district level, the Finance Department aligns building budgets to prioritize faculty, staff, and student needs, mandating that at least 3/4 of all building budgets are allocated directly toward their support. These collective efforts ensure that Collins R14 School District sustains a culture that prioritizes safety, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Next, let's take a look at effective instruction in every classroom. Level 2 of Marzano's Highly Reliable Schools framework emphasizes effective teaching in every classroom, a cornerstone of the Collins R14 School District's instructional approach. The district employs the workshop model as its primary instructional framework, ensuring that all students engage in meaningful, guided learning experiences tailored to specific content and objectives. This model empowers teachers to facilitate focused, student-centered learning opportunities, promoting active engagement and mastery of academic goals. To uphold instructional excellence, Collins R14 School District employs a rigorous teacher evaluation system. Teachers are required to track their data related to their professional goals and articulate their progress to their building leaders, providing evidence of growth during evaluations. This ongoing reflection and accountability ensures that teachers remain focused on continuous improvement and sustained success. Professional development in the district is intentionally designed to enhance instructional practices. Teachers have access to a variety of growth opportunities, including videotaped lesson analysis, instructional rounds for peer observation and feedback, and professional growth courses tailored to their needs. These efforts collectively ensure that every classroom is a place where effective teaching thrives, aligning with the district's commitment to excellence. Level 3 of Marzano's Highly Reliable Schools framework emphasizes the importance of a guaranteed and viable curriculum, a principle that drives curriculum development and implementation within the Collins R14 school district. All K-12 curricula are aligned with the Missouri Learning Standards, ensuring that students receive a consistent, high-quality educational experience. To monitor student progress and mastery of key concepts, the district administers multiple common formative assessments throughout the school year. The district also employs instructional alignment guides to maintain common scope and sequence across all curricular areas. These guides ensure the critical content is prioritized and that teachers are provided the necessary time and resources to deliver instruction effectively. This supported approach guarantees equitable access to essential learning for all students, creating consistency across classrooms and grade levels. Collins R14 School District further demonstrates its commitment to inclusivity and equity by providing instruction in the least restrictive environment. Through a co-teaching or class-within-a-class model, all students, regardless of their individual needs, have access to the same rigorous curriculum alongside their peers. Finally, each school building aligns its efforts with the district's comprehensive school improvement plan, a strategic framework that guides continuous improvement initiatives. This plan, which will be explored in greater detail later in the presentation, serves as a cornerstone for ensuring that curriculum and instruction remain focused on student success at every level. Next, we will examine Standards Reference Reporting. Standards Reference Reporting is a transformative initiative currently being piloted in selected schools within the Collins R14 school district, as we are working toward district-wide implementation. Collaboration is key to this process. District-level leaders, building administrators, and members of our Vanguard support teams engage in focused professional development during each district professional development day to advance this effort. Academic instructional coordinators and Marzano consultants are integral to this initiative, partnering with Vanguard teachers and building leaders to develop proficiency scales that align with the principles of standards reference reporting. The district is following a structured timeline to ensure a smooth and effective transition to standards reference grading. As standards reference reporting progresses, the Collins R14 school district students are empowered to take ownership of their learning through goal setting and ongoing self-monitoring. The district maintains a strong focus on data to drive instructional decisions and improve outcomes. For students in grades K through 5, teachers administer common formative assessments for each curriculum unit. Following each CFA, teachers conduct a common formative assessment analysis to interpret the data and identify actionable steps to address student needs. In secondary schools, student learning is evaluated through a combination of assessments designed to monitor progress and mastery. These include 2 interim assessments per year aligned with unit priority standards for the respective timeframes and 2 benchmark assessments. The first benchmark assesses first semester priority standards, while the second evaluates mastery of the full year priority standards. Additionally, end-of-course exam scores provide valuable insights into student achievement, ensuring that instruction remains aligned with curriculum goals and standards. This multifaceted approach to assessment underscores the district's commitment to data-informed decision-making and continuous improvement. The highest level of Marzano's Highly Reliable Schools framework, Level 5, Competency-Based Education, serves as the pinnacle of educational excellence. Collins R14 School District is deeply committed to developing an educational system and structure that empowers students to explore their interests and progress at their own pace, advancing to the next level as they demonstrate mastery of content standards. One of the primary strategies for achieving this goal is the implementation of college and career pathways at the high school level. Now, in its fourth year of full implementation, the College and Career Pathways model at Collins High School offers students the opportunity to tailor their educational experience through one of our 4 pathways: the School of Business, Leadership, and Entrepreneurship, the School of Design, Innovation, and Technology, the School of Health and Wellness, and the School of Human and Public Services. These pathways serve as the thematic frameworks that guide students' learning throughout their high school experience. To ensure meaningful engagement and practical experience, students must complete specific grade-level requirements that are tracked through PowerSchool. Freshmen hear from at least 2 guest speakers per semester within their School of theme. Sophomores create professional resumes in ELA 2 and then participate in a mock interview in December. Our juniors engage in a mentorship program, meeting monthly with a career mentor throughout the school year and participating in a job shadowing experience at the mentor's workplace. And juniors also complete client-connected projects in their junior level Tech Core course. Finally, seniors gain real-world experience through internships, apprenticeships, capstone projects, by completing scholarship applications, and doing other work-related opportunities. This structured progression is designed to maximize opportunities and minimize barriers, helping students discover their passions and prepare for success in their chosen post-secondary paths. Competency-based education at Collins R14 schools is not limited to the high school level. For K-8 students, mastery-based practices are evident in guided reading groups and academically gifted programs where students advance based on skill acquisition. District leaders continuously work to refine this model to ensure it meets the needs of all students across grade levels. Full realization of this framework will require the development of proficiency scales for every grade, building schedules that facilitate seamless transitions as students master content standards, and reporting systems that accurately reflect student knowledge and abilities. By focusing on mastery and personalization, Collins R14 School District aims to create an educational environment that supports student growth, fosters passion-driven learning, and prepares students to excel in their future endeavors. Achieving full implementation of the competency-based education framework requires several key components: the creation of proficiency scales for every grade level and content area, master schedules that allow students to transition fluidly as they master content, and reporting systems that accurately reflect students' knowledge and skills. All of these elements are integral into ensuring equitable access to a personalized and mastery-driven educational experience. By maintaining a strong focus on mastery and personalization, the Collins R14 School District is building an environment that not only supports academic growth, but also ignites students' passions, equipping them with the tools needed to excel in their future pursuits. This continuing improvement process underscores the district's commitment to accountability and excellence in every learner. Central Office administrators in the Collins R14 School District are deliberate about their comprehensive strategic improvement plan. 3 strategic focus areas make up the CSIP for the upcoming school year: academics, business, and community. The district's continuous improvement plan's main components are curriculum, instruction, and assessment. Collins R14 School District is committed to a reliable and practical curriculum, consistent teaching strategies, and appropriate assessment philosophies that monitor student learning and growth. The plan, do, study, act cycle is at the center of our continuous improvement cycle. The answers to the following questions serve as a roadmap for our approach for ongoing school improvement. Number 1, how do we decide what we want students to understand and/or perform? Number 2, how can we support learning so that the desired results are attained? Number 3, how can we tell if a learner has accomplished the intended results? And number 4, how do we react when the expected results are not attained? As you can see, the plan, do, study, act method describes the process required to complete an improvement cycle. The district's improvement cycle starts by examining the existing reality and moves on to the planning stage of identifying desired goals. District leaders can then identify and put into practice directive, high-yield tactics that are in line with action stages. From this point, teams across the district can assess the success of their own plans and make the necessary modifications to guarantee all students succeed. One additional way in which the leaders of the Collins R14 school district are working toward hearing the voices of all district stakeholders is through the newly formed Academic Senate Committee. Over the last few years, district leaders saw a gap in the district's processes as it pertained to departments, schools, and within the community. The Collins R14 school district is now committed to improving communication and the decision-making process through the formation of the district-wide team where all stakeholders work collectively to move the district forward. In the Collins R14 school district, the Academic Senate acts as a steering coalition for ongoing enhancements in teaching and learning. To guarantee that each learner obtains the meaningful experiences that prepare them for success in life, the team provides an ongoing collaborative response to the professional learning community's questions. This group meets at least 3 times a year and is comprised of teachers at all levels, administrators, professional development team members, health and wellness team members, instructional technology members, instructional coaches, career center staff, as well as parents, students, and school board members. The 2024-25 goals for the Academic Senate in the Collins R14 school district are centered around improving student achievement across all areas, using a wide range of performance data, including overall student performance, subgroup data, graduation rates, discipline records, survey results, market value asset attainment, and both the participation and performance in extracurricular activities. These metrics not only provide a comprehensive view of student progress, but also highlight the district's commitment to enhancing student opportunities through curriculum, instruction, and assessment practices. The effectiveness of the district's academic senate team is evidenced by their strategic use of the district performance data, a deep understanding of stakeholder perceptions, monitoring district-wide goals, and emphasizing accountability in curriculum instruction. The team's lateral decision-making approach facilitates better problem-solving abilities, enhances the district's vision for innovation and creativity, and ensures that the needs of all stakeholders are met. Furthermore, the Collins R14 school district has made notable progress in refining its comprehensive school improvement plan through the addition of instructional and behavioral coaches. These roles are instrumental in creating a systematic and collaborative environment for improving teaching and learning. A recent meeting was held within the district to clarify the roles of both the instructional and behavioral coaches. The rationale for clearly defining the roles of instructional coaches, behavior coaches, and the administrators that they interact with is to enhance the effectiveness of each stakeholder within the building. Although the roles of the coaches and administrators often intersect in providing support to our students, the district aims to create consistency across all buildings to ensure that coaches and administrators are utilized effectively in their respective roles and act as support systems for one another. By incorporating instructional and behavioral coaches into our buildings, district-level leaders are fostering confidence in building-level leaders, empowering them to collaborate collectively to achieve goals and support teachers with high-quality instruction. Instructional coaches and behavior coaches serve as servant leaders by offering teachers direct, face-to-face opportunities to experience independence, respect, trust, and individual growth. By creating environments where teachers feel empowered through support from building-level leaders and coaches, teachers gain a deeper understanding of best practices that enable all students to succeed. This approach not only strengthens the educational experience, but also builds a collaborative and supportive culture that benefits both educators and students alike. In conclusion, The climate and cultural landscape within the Collins R14 school district is thriving. Characterized by a strong sense of belonging amongst students and staff alike, this is a point of great pride for the district as it reflects the commitment of all stakeholders to meeting the multiple leading indicators across all 5 areas of Marzano's highly reliable schools framework. While some leading indicators have not yet been fully achieved, it is the researchers' opinion that Collins R14 school district is well on its way to operating within a high reliability school status. The administrators and staff within the district excel by anticipating challenges and continuously striving for excellence and error-free performance. The majority of the first 4 tiers of Marzano's highly reliable schools model are effectively supported by structures, processes, practices, and leadership within every school across the district. The district is committed to fully integrating the 5 levels of Marzano's highly reliable schools framework, with a strong focus on the curriculum instructional practices that have been established over the past several years. District-level administrators, building leaders, and their teams are paving the way to ensure academic achievement for all students within the Collins R14 school district. Thank you for listening to my school district redesign presentation. Over the course of the next few slides, you will be able to see all of the reference used to complete this project.